had that.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pepin County, southeastern Pierce County, Dunn County, until 7 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Plum City, or 20 miles southwest of Menominee, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Menominee, Durant, Colfax, Elk Mound, Pepin, Elmwood, Eau Gallie, Plum City, Bay City, Stockholm, Weston, and Rock Falls. This includes Interstate 94 in Wisconsin between mile markers 37 and 56. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for west central Wisconsin. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dunn, Pepin, and Pierce.
Pull back.